Hey guys, you know you got your good set of Allen wrenches for all your hex head fasteners, but sometimes you get a little larger than 3/8. I got a little option here that may help you out. Stand by one. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the 32-piece Knurled Hex bit socket set from Klein Tools. It's model 65233 Hex. SAE in metric comes 5/64 up to 3/4 in SAE. Your metric is 2mm up to 19mm. Modbox compatible. Depending on the size of your drive, is the size of your ratchet drive you get in there, or the size of your bit, I guess. 1/4-inch drive, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive. Their knurled sockets provide greater grip. I tell you. This is probably, being Klein, it's probably leaning towards electricians, making your connections in your terminal boxes and your big conductors with the hex, super big hex bits that you tie down all your big wires in. But as a mechanic in a greasy environment, you could probably really appreciate those knurled bits in there. That way, you know, you're going to be dealing with, I know I do, at least. I'm dealing with moly, chain grease, and all stuff all the time. And if you've ever grabbed a hold of a slick socket with those greasy fingers and tried to turn anything, you know it's difficult. Now, is it super thick knurling? Not really. I mean, it might give you a little bit of grip, but it's better than the slick solid metal side there. So, yeah. It's a Klein tool, so, you know, it's probably going to be good. I haven't really used this one enough to know 100%. It's Modbox, got the Modbox connections to it, the beautiful orange case. I believe these are made in Vietnam. Let's check and see. Where's our made Hecho in? Well, I don't see it on this one. Oh, I bet I know where it's at. It's on the other little... on the other paper that I got somewhere. We got a whole nother setup here. It says Taiwan, not Vietnam. Okay, so there you go. Here's another little infographic for you. 16 SAE and 16 metric knurled bases. Oh, spring-loaded latches on the Modbox lid. You got a small storage tray there, right there. Lays out your sizes and how it works with the other Modbox. You want to take a quick peek at that, a little gander. So yeah, we got these because we do a lot of mostly in the bigger stuff. Now, yeah, you can have the old standard Allen wrenches for the little guy stuff, but we got a couple of machines that take some really big socket head bolts, and we went with Klein just because Klein's a pretty good name. So, everybody makes a set like this, but just depends on what you want to do. Not everybody makes the Modbox compatible stuff, which if you've already got a couple of Modbox items, why not stick with the same, line of Modbox stuff. You wouldn't take your Milwaukee stuff and try to stick Klein stuff on it. Why start with going backwards, right? So yeah, stand by one. We'll look at some more stuff when I find my socket. All right, we found it. So yeah, it's standard fittings, locks in there good, not overly long. Now, so if you need a longer setup, then you may want to look at the some other items that are a little longer. That's about the size of maybe a little longer than a standard socket right there. Just looking right there, that's a 1/2-inch socket, just for 1/2-inch drive socket, 3/4. So there's your length over size there. So these will fit in pretty good. But like I say, we got some bigger stuff that we deal with. And of course, this is 1/2-inch drive. I don't have my 1/2-inch ratchet close, but you get the idea. So yeah, very nice. Press fit in there, it looks like. There's no welds or anything that probably would come out of there after a while if you beat on it long enough. And overall, just really nice construction. The name and size are stamped in, not laser etched. Nice chrome finish with the, looks like the phosphate finish on the actual bit itself. Really nice setup. Goes all the way down to the 5/64 in SAE and 2mm in metric. So yeah, if you need a little thing and you need a 1/4-inch drive to get down there, you could put those on your little 1/4-inch screwdriver handle bit and get straight in on something if you need to. Not out of the question on that, but I'm not sure if I'd get a socket on those and try to get down there and honk it out when you got this other set for you already, which, you know, depends on what you want to do. If you want to carry it with just the socket sets, and that's certainly doable. Anything else that stands out? No, I don't think so. That's it. That's probably going to be that's the quick look at the Klein 32-bit knurled hex bit socket set. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.